Hello everyone, this is my first time making a video like this for Starfield, so be gentle with me. I just was very proud of this ship build, and I wanted to give a walkthrough and a build guide in case somebody else wanted to build something similar. First thing we'll do is a walkthrough. So I wanted the ship to have a homey feel. Large inside and like it was meant to carry a lot of people and do a lot of things. So I've got the
You're handling this whole captain
I think
thing
this
really
is the
well,
Hope
Captain.
Tech uh, 2x3 mess hall. I like it because it's got this little rec area here with a television. People can sit and watch too. And then I put this hab here to kind of be a three-way junction so that things the doors were where I wanted them to. This is a 2x2 crew battle station and a 2x1 um, uh, sleeping quarters. And then up here is my workshop. I can't remember which one I used. Sorry. And then over here is the Deimos Brig, 2x2. Store my bounties if we ever get live bounties. And then right next to that is the, I think this is the Hope Tech armory. It's the only one with mannequins. And then it was really difficult to get this thing to line up right to where there wasn't a ladder right in the middle of my mess hall going up to the captain's quarters. But I finally did it. And yeah, so I've got my Nova Galactic captain's quarters here. I like it because it's got its own little room. And yeah, so that's the tour. So let's get into the build. So it's 4 layers high. So this is the bottom layer, and I'm just gonna hover my mouse over as I go over each component and its location in each layer. So just pause it and you can see on the left side what those items are. The one thing I forgot to have already for this build was the I can't remember what it's called. It's the thing that keeps your shielded cargo. I got shielded cargo bays, but it's the scanner blocker thing that you get from Red Mile or the Key. And I went and bought it after I finished building, but I didn't have it for this part of the video. And every time I took the ship apart like this and put it back together, it would put that ladder in my captain's quarters down into the cafeteria. So, bleh. So that was the bottom layer. This is the second layer up. I placed my turrets facing backwards because I like to fly by my enemies and then it shoots them from behind as I fly by. And then in order to get these Vanguard particle cannons to fit inside of that weapon mount, you had to put smaller weapons inside that would fit side by side and then exit out of the builder and go back in and just upgrade those smaller weapons to the Vanguards, and it'll squeeze them in there. Um, and I've got the Vanguard particle cannons, and then I've got the um, suppressors there for shipboarding. Between the particle cannons and the turrets in the back, I pretty much take down anything. But if I want to, I've also I forgot to mention I'm running with a mod that lets me put multiple reactors. So I've got 2 reactors on this thing, so everything is powered. Um, but it's super easy to just use 1 reactor and then uh, manage your equipment. I just hate doing the whole up and down managing of my weapons and shields and engines, so I just like everything to be powered. And then this is the third layer from the bottom. I built this on the Razorleaf platform, um, but I want to call it Bumblebee. But I'm not sure if you rename the Razorleaf, because I know like you can build whatever you want on the Razorleaf, and it will you still get the effect of the bad guys sometimes freak out and run away. But I don't know if you change the name of the Razorleaf, if it will have that same, uh, if it will keep that effect. Almost done. Oh, the engines that I'm using are the ones that you get from the quest in the Constellation quest with the rich guy. Um, I love these engines. Only 2 power each and 1800 thrust. Yeah, they're pretty awesome. And this is the top layer. I've got the I think they were on the mid layer, but I got the 2 items from the quest from Red Mile, or not, the key, where you infiltrate the uh, uh, Crimson Fleet. Yeah, those are on that layer. Pick it all up, put it all together. And the top. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, if you use your build, send me a message. If you use but this build for your own, send me a message. Um, Curious if anybody likes it. Bye.